Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. You join me today out in the countryside. We're going to have a look at a gate today. Someone's asked me to have a look at a gate that's dragging on the floor. Just flip you around so I can show you. As you can see, we've got this gate that's dragging on the floor there. Let's just press this button here and see if we can get it to shut to show you. Is it going to work? There we go, press and hold. As you can see, it's dragging and making the whole post and all that vibrate. So we've got an adjustment on the bottom that we can do. So if we undo this nut here, and undo this one here, and screw this one further out, we're going to try and lift the bottom of the gate, if you know what I mean. So it lifts it up like that, see if we can get some clearance. The only other option that we could do is get a big hammer and hit this hinge into the post more, but I forgot to bring my big hammer with me, so we're going to have to try and do the bottom one first. But we've got a little bit of thread left on the bar there, so hopefully that little bit of adjustment will lift it off the ground there, see it digging in. So we'll try that first, see if that works. So I've got the big adjustable out. It's quite free actually. I hope everyone's doing okay. Sun's shining today. So then we move that bracket along. We need to do that quite far to start off with. Now on this other end, we can start, that's a bigger nut, so just make an adjustment on the adjustables. Sorry, you can just about see that, and then we'll start tightening. We'll start to tighten. And as I'm tightening, whether you can see that far end of the gate, it might be difficult for you to see. Can we zoom in? Just zoomed in there for you guys, so keep an eye on the daylight. There we go, I'm trying to look at the camera whilst I'm tightening this up. So as I tighten, you can see the daylight under the far end of the post. Gets more and more, so it looks like this theory is working. Sorry, I'm a little bit shaky guys on the camera. So if I zoom back in at this end, so we've still got plenty of gap there. We can tighten this bolt down, tighten this nut. Oops, sorry. We don't want to go too far, so that when the gate's shut it just looks too obvious that it's not level enough, so it looks right on the eye. Look how much clearance we've got now at that end. See, as this driveway slopes upwards, when the gate starts to close past halfway, obviously you can see where it stops digging into the ground there. So I'm just going to give it a couple more turns and then we'll test it. Right, I'm going to leave it at that. We're going to slide that bracket back. We're going to tighten that nut back up. We've still got plenty that we can work with if we need to. Come on, nut. So we'll just tighten that side up now. Right, so that's all nice and tight. That's been adjusted. We've probably moved about 1.5 inches. How much clearance we've got now on that end. Lovely. So let's just put the spanner down there, get the button back out and stand back because we've got sensors. So it opens automatically when it senses anyone crossing that beam there. So we'll press and hold the button. Looking good so far. Lovely, that's done the job nicely. But when it closed, we want it to look reasonably okay. It is slightly out, not level to eye, but you've got to consider the slope on the driveway just to get that past. Just open it back up. See, when you look at it from here by eye, it looks quite level. It's just when it's shut. So, have to take the rough with the smooth, guys. So what do we reckon? Do we drop it down a bit so it doesn't look so obvious when it's shut? I'm just going to stand back, see what it looks like. Or is it me being too finicky? OCD's kicking in here, guys. I might just drop it down. So we'll reverse what I just did on the adjustment there. Just drop it down, perhaps 1/2 inch, just see what it looks like then. So I've dropped it down a bit now, guys. We've just gone backwards on that adjustment in the far corner there. It looks a bit better. It does by eye. So I'd be happy with that, the way it looks when it's shut. But the big test is. So I haven't tested this, so we're doing this live, guys. Will it miss the ground now I've taken it back down? Excellent. So I did do it too far when I was doing it upwards. So now that that's dropped down, it looks better to the eye when it's shut. I think what I best do, guys, is just go over with my foot and fill them lines in that the gate's scored out. So let's open it back up. Smooth out that and smooth out this line. Fill all this in. Fill it all in the best we can. Smooth it down. clear, flat ground. Right, how are we looking there? That's not too bad now. It's not too bad. So, final test. I think we're just about there now. Happy with that. It just skims this middle part. A little bit of high ground in the middle. But it's not digging into it, so we'll be happy with that. Lovely countryside here, guys. I think over time it's just dropped a bit with it working daily, opening and closing. Probably weathered a bit as well. Yeah, that's all right now. So I hope it helped someone. You know, if someone's got a similar gate, how to adjust it higher and lower. If you haven't subscribed, guys, please would you consider doing so. Hit the thumbs up for today's video and keep an eye out for the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.